hold on, Ash. So, guys, we are here on a nature walk for at our aunt and uncle's house, and like we are. It sounds like it's raining here. And like things are like dripping, the wetness, and the grown-ups are back there. Yeah, it's a video. Oh my god! So guys, if you could hear that, it is raining, and we are currently on our second trail, and we're like walking. It's really weird. Uh-oh. Come to an end. Wait, no, you can go that way. Behind you.
Wait.
That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Or that way?
No, that way.
No, you can go this way.
Mommy. Which way are you going? Are you going that way?
We need the umbrella.
Come on, let's go.
No, we need Bradley to catch up to him.
Wait, which way are we going then?
There's a trail there too.
I know. Which way are we going? Left or right?
We will go left. A bit further. This is going to double back.
Uh-huh. I don't know where to go next. If you have this.
Recording it right now?
Yes. I like to record stuff. Why?
I'm just asking. I don't need to get all.
Okay. So we're going left, right? We're going left. Left, right. Ha 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 ha.
Oh,
Ash, come on, let's go.
yes. I like the thin trail.
This is amazing.
I like the long
It's
trail.
like you know in like certain movies, like the winter movies, they have like the beautiful scenery and then something bad happens. I don't know. Let's just come on. So guys, I just wanted to record. Okay. I wanted to record this because I like this scenery a lot. And guys, we'll see you in another video.